Hi guys, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and in this short video I will tell you about the new keyword research tool I just discovered. So I've been using the standard keyword tools such as Google Keyword Planner, I think it was WordStream, there was obviously Ubersuggest, SEMrush. And this Keywords Everywhere is a add-on that you download for your Chrome and for your Firefox, and basically when you go and search for the keyword you see exact number of searches or very rounded number of searches in the area that you specify. So I specified USA, and you see how many, which is much better than Keyword Planner, which gives you very rounded number. For example, this number would look like 1k to 10k, and this gives you definitely more accurate number. And on top of that, if you search for a phrase, you see related phrases in the sidebar, and also they are being grouped in the order of the volume, which is fantastic. So you can see related keywords here, and also people also search for these obviously related to your main keyword, and you see that you can see the volumes here as well, which is very useful. Obviously Google Chrome is so much faster than Safari, so I think I'm going to switch right now, and I'll just show you how to perform search. Okay, so Google algorithm, I could just shorten it. Google algorithm, and you can see as you type, you can see the numbers next to the keyword, so you can switch. You don't have to press enter, but if you press enter, you see that this has a little bit lower volume because the other one was 1900. And you see other related keywords and people also search for. So this add-on Keywords Everywhere, it as I mentioned, it is free. It is a browser add-on, and to implement it in your Firefox or Google Chrome, simply click on the link in the product description, in the video description. So I hope you like this video. If you would like to be updated on the new SEO news and obviously e-commerce news, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.